Hello and welcome to Spanish Basics. In this module, I'll be speaking to you about negation. The topics will be as follows. I'll begin with the usage of no. I'll follow that with the usage of negative words. And then lastly, I'll review negative usage in the imperative mood. Now, the negative in Spanish is typically expressed by applying the adverb no before the verb. Notice it's pronounced no and not no. Examples. No vino Juan al juego. Juan did not come to the game. No quiero manejar hoy. I do not want to drive today. Hoy no hay sol. Today there is no sun. Now in Spanish, the negative can also be stated by using negative words such as nunca, which is never, él nunca baila, he never dances, jamás, which also means never, jamás como chile, I never eat chili pepper, nada, which means nothing, nada le gusta, he likes nothing, nadie, which is no one, nadie quería ser voluntario, no one wanted to volunteer, ninguna, which is none, ninguna blusa me gusta, none of the blouses do I like, tampoco, which is neither, tampoco les gusta las tiendas, neither do they like the stores. Negative words can be used after the verb as well. No must precede the verb if the negative word is used after the verb. For example, you can say nunca canta or no canta nunca, meaning he never sings. When ninguna is used before a masculine singular noun, drop the final O. For example, ningún libro me gusta. I don't like any book. However, if the noun is plural, ningunos platos me gusta. I don't like any dishes. Now, to express the tu command in a negative, use the present subjunctive. For example, tú no tires la pelota. Don't throw the ball. Tú no manejes el carro. Don't drive the car. Tú no camines por el suelo. Don't walk on the floor. Tú no te levantes tarde. Don't get up late. Tú no te vayas a la casa de Juan. Don't go to John's house. We're at the end of this module, but I'd like to share with you a refrain before we leave. Más vale la salud que la riqueza. Health is better than wealth. I want to thank you for watching Spanish Basics. Muchas gracias. Hasta luego.